daughter of former President Rodrigo Duterte. My family and I would like to express our heartfelt gratitude for the unwavering support and solidarity you have shown during this dark time. Never fail to remind us, time and again, of the pride and care as Delaware. I kindly ask for your continuous prayers for my father, our Tatay Sel, since he is not being administered his medication as of the moment. He was forcibly taken and sent to Haiti to face trial before the ICC. What kind of government do we have where it does not protect its own citizens, let alone its sovereignty? This is oppression and persecution. Now is not the time to be silent. Now is the time to let our voices be heard throughout the world. Free former President Rodrigo Duterte. He has no time for tears, only faith, and the will to fight for what is just.